welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel and number 13 of our List Perfectly tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about how to very quickly delist and relist items on Poshmark using your List Perfectly catalog. It's super important that you use your catalog to do this so that your List Perfectly items will keep their Posh ID number within the catalog so you can utilize the other tools that LP has available. I went into a lot more detail about this in the last video on how to end and sell similar on eBay using List Perfectly. This is essentially the same exact process, except you're doing it on Poshmark instead of eBay. So I do highly recommend that you watch the eBay version of this, which was number 12 in the series, as well as this one, because I'm just going to quickly go through how to do it on Poshmark, and any further information or tips and tricks would be included in the other one. I'll have it pop up at the end for you. If you haven't watched it, again, I highly recommend watching it first because we're going to kind of go through Poshmark really quick. A lot of people do like to delist and relist items on Poshmark periodically to keep them fresh. So this is a way you can do it straight from your List Perfectly catalog very quickly. You can do it in bulk if you have the business or the pro plan, and you can quickly end them on Poshmark and relist them and keep everything organized and the way it needs to be in your catalog on List Perfectly. So first you want to make sure that you're looking at your Posh listings here. And you would go down and select however many you want to do a morning. I usually do like 20 on eBay every morning. I've never really been a delister, relister on Poshmark. I might start to be though, now that I know that it's this super easy. Let's mark not sold as well, so that we're not looking at stuff that might have already sold. But you know, you can do however many you want a morning, 5, 10, 15, 20. For the sake of the video, I'm only going to show you 2, just to quickly show you. You want to start selecting, just like you would when you're cross-posting. And then you'll stop once you've selected all of them that you've wanted to select. You're going to click Poshmark, and you're going to click End Listing. Then you got to patiently wait for your tabs to pop up along the top. And when they're done, you will check them to make sure that they're sitting on the feed. That means that those items have ended on Poshmark. It is very important that you do not click off of this page or touch anything on this page, because you're going to need this to put those exact items you just ended right back in. You'll click Poshmark again. You'll click Copy. Those exact items that you just ended on Poshmark are now going to be cross-posted back to the platform. And you will just double check the information as you normally would when you are cross-posting to Poshmark from List Perfectly. You will have to fill your category back in and your size, because that is unfortunately not something that copies over. And then you would just list this item. You could change anything you wanted to here as well if you needed to edit, if you wanted to change the price, if you wanted to change the wording or anything like that. And you just double check everything's good and you push it back out. And that is, oops, original price. That is very quickly how you delist and relist items super fast in bulk using List Perfectly. If I went too fast or you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't already. We also have a Facebook group. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. You can join us over there by searching on Facebook or using the link down below. And if you want to try out List Perfectly for 30% off your first month, even if you already use List Perfectly and you just want to upgrade and try Pro out for a month, following along with this tutorial series and trying all of the things that I've been teaching you, use our code FlippinHippos, use the link in the box down below, and you can get 30% off of your first month or an upgrade for a month. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.